Learning English through conversation. Conversation between Rafim and Rajinikanth regarding stream water.
Hey Rajinikanth, have you noticed the stream water lately?
Yes, Rafim. It's looking quite different, isn't it? The water seems less clear than usual.
Exactly. I was wondering if you knew why that might be.
Well, it could be a number of things. Recent rains might have caused soil erosion, leading to more sediment in the water. Or there could be some upstream activities that are affecting the stream.
That makes sense. I've also seen some litter around the stream. Do you think that's contributing to the problem?
Definitely. Litter can introduce pollutants into the water, affecting its clarity and quality. It's really important that we keep the area clean.
I agree. What do you think we can do to improve the situation?
We could start by organizing a community cleanup event. If we get enough people involved, we can make a big difference. Also, we should educate others about the importance of keeping the stream clean.
That's a great idea. Maybe we can also talk to the local authorities about implementing better waste management practices.
Absolutely. They might be able to help with resources and support. Plus, raising awareness through local campaigns could be very effective.
That's a great idea. Maybe we can also talk to the local authorities about implementing better waste management practices.
Absolutely. They might be able to help with resources and support. Plus, raising awareness through local campaigns could be very effective.
Let's get started on planning the cleanup. I'll talk to some of our neighbors and see who would be interested in joining us.
Sounds good, Rafim. I'll look into contacting the authorities and gathering some educational materials. Together, we can make a big difference for our stream.
Thanks, Rajinikanth. I feel better knowing we're taking action.
Anytime, Rafim. It's up to us to protect our environment.
Foysal English Academy is a premier English study and research center dedicated to helping learners master the English language with precision and confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced student, Foysal English Academy offers tailored programs designed to enhance your fluency, comprehension, and overall communication skills. Join us to elevate your English proficiency and achieve your language goals.
Thanks to join our channel. Please subscribe for future notifications.